What the? Oh, what the? This Duke did his ass nigga. What the fuck? Give me that. Oh, no, no. Yep. Come and get me. Yep. Look at these fat ass niggas trying to catch me. Look at these fat ass. Two fat ass honey buns chasing me, man. Yo, I'm holding up honey buns on the ass while I'm running. Come and catch the honey bun, bitch. Yep. I'll take that, thank you. Catch me if you can, I'm the gingerbread man. Come and get me, hotshot. Catch me if you can, I'm the gingerbread man. What the? No. I got 3 words for him, bro. Alright. And I'm gonna ring beam. I said ring beam.